Hey everybody, my name is Kalle Slaap, watchmaker from the Netherlands, and I'm working at the moment at the Rolex 2030 Lady Movement, quite small. And I want to give you an insight in the silliness of watchmaking and the search for perfection in horology. Here you see 28 jewels. Jewels, they are ruby, corundum, a very hard material, diamond hardness 10 and ruby hardness 9. And so they're usually being used in parts in the watch as a bearing or for preventing excess wear. But here in the balance assembly, there we see two extra rubies. Rubies in timing pins. There they are. There, and there. It's a bit of silliness because you never need the hardness of the ruby itself, and it isn't going to wear. They're just timing pins sliding against the balance spring. Only now it's a pendulum and now it's a balance spring. Maybe I'll show you. The timing of the watch is only the length of the pendulum here, and the timing pins are sliding against the pendulum, making it short, going fast, making it long, going slow. It is crucial that the timing pins are dead straight, like this, and not too much space in between them. I'll show you why. In my world it is really important, because if there is too much space between them, when it's touching the side it is moving slow because the pendulum is short. In the middle now it's incredibly long, so it's slow. And then, did I say slow the first time? No, it is fast when it's touching, slow because the pendulum is long, and then it's touching the other side, and then it's fast again. So if there's plenty of space between, the working length of the pendulum is a bit longer because touching, fast, slow and fast. So if they're close together, the working length is a bit slower, shorter. So if the two timing pins are a bit like that, then because the balance spring has got some weight because it's metal. If it's like this and it is lower, then it's got less space between them. And if you put it the other way around, like this, the spring is going down and you got more space in between. So they have to be dead straight, otherwise you get a change in rate if it's face down or face up. That is important. But the silliness of horology and watchmaking, there it is. You see the gold plate where they are mounted on with the hole. That hole plate can be moved like this. So the timing pins, the space in between, you can arrange that. And to put it in perspective, because it is really small, this is a hair of my beard. It is a fraction of the thickness of a hair. That is small. So, okay, in search of perfection, there is no need whatsoever to make these timing pins from ruby, but it is nice, it's luxurious, and they can, so why not? Lovely, lovely detail, and that's how they become 28 jewels. And hopefully you understand why it's really important that they are dead straight, because there's like this, you get a difference between face up and face down. All of you, thank you so much for your attention. Hey, see you soon. Bye bye.